How to make a cover photo private on Facebook. First of all, open the Facebook application on your phone. You are now in the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Then, go to your profile at the top. Over here, tap on your cover photo. Then, tap on See Cover Photo. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. As you can see, you don't have the option to change the audience of your current cover photo. Swipe left to view your previous cover photo. Tap on the three dots again. Then, tap on Edit Privacy. Here, change the audience of your photo to only me. This means that only you will be able to view this photo. After that, tap on Done at the top. As you can see, there is a locked icon below your photo now. Following these steps, you can easily make a cover photo private on Facebook.